for us to adopt a new company brand.
What if I told you that Meta and Microsoft have joined forces to create a new AI system to make anything you can imagine? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, it's true. This AI system is Llama 2, the most advanced generative AI model ever created. In this video, you're going to learn what Llama 2 is, how it works, what it can do, and why it matters for the future of AI and the Metaverse. Llama 2 stands for Large Language Model, and it is the successor of Llama 1, which was Meta's first attempt at creating a large-scale language model that could generate coherent and diverse text on any topic. Llama 1 was released in 2022 as an open-source project, and it was based on the Transformer architecture, a neural network design that uses attention mechanisms to learn the relationships between words and sentences. Llama 1 was trained on a massive corpus of text data from the internet, including Wikipedia, news articles, books, social media posts, and more. It had about 175 billion parameters, the numerical value that determines how the neural network processes the input and produces the output. To put that in perspective, ChatGPT-3, the most advanced language model then, had only 175 billion parameters. Llama 1 could generate text on various domains and tasks, such as answering questions, writing summaries, composing essays, creating stories, and more. However, it also had some limitations and challenges. For example, it sometimes produced inaccurate or misleading information, struggled with long-term coherence and consistency, lacked common sense and world knowledge, and raised ethical and social concerns about its potential misuse or abuse. That's why Meta collaborated with Microsoft to create Llama 2, a much more powerful and sophisticated version of Llama 1. Mark Zuckerberg announced Llama 2 in February 2023 in a live-stream demonstration, showing how he used Llama 2 to create a virtual avatar in the Metaverse. He also revealed that Llama 2 was not just a language model, but a multimodal model that could generate not only text, but also images, audio, video, and other forms of media. He said Llama 2 was the key to unlocking the Metaverse, his vision of a shared virtual reality where people can interact with each other and with digital content in immersive ways. He said Llama 2 could enable users to create personalized experiences in the Metaverse by generating content on demand based on their preferences and interests. So how does Llama 2 work? Well, according to Zuckerberg and Satya Nadella, who is the CEO of Microsoft, Llama 2 is based on a new set of techniques called generative adversarial networks, GANs, which are the type of neural networks that consist of two components, a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates realistic outputs from random inputs, while the discriminator tries to distinguish between real outputs and fake outputs. The generator and the discriminator compete in a game-like scenario, where the generator tries to fool the discriminator by improving its outputs over time, while the discriminator tries to catch the generator by improving its detection skills. This process results in both components learning from each other and improving their tasks. Llama 2 can generate multimodal outputs from multimodal inputs because it uses cross-modal attention, which allows it to learn the relationships between different modalities, such as text, image, audio, and video. Cross-modal attention enables Llama 2 to understand the context and the meaning of the inputs and outputs, and to generate outputs that are relevant and coherent with the inputs. For example, if you give Llama 2 an image of a dog and text prompt like "make it talk," it'll generate an audio clip of a dog's voice that says something related to the image, such as "woof woof" or "I'm hungry." If you give an audio clip of a song and a text prompt like "make a cover art for it," it'll generate an image of a cover art that reflects the genre and the mood of the song, such as a colorful abstract design for a pop song or a dark and gloomy picture for a metal song, and so on. Llama 2 is expected to launch very soon, as Zuckerberg and Nadella have announced that they will open source Llama 2 with their preferred partner Microsoft. This means that researchers and businesses will have access to Llama 2 as the foundation of their work and will be able to use it for various purposes and applications. For example, researchers can use Llama 2 to advance the scientific understanding of AI and natural language processing, and to explore new domains and tasks that require multimodal generation. Businesses can use Llama 2 to create new products and services that leverage multimodal generations, such as content creation, entertainment, education, and marketing platforms. However, Llama 2 also comes with challenges and risks that must be addressed before being released to the public. For example, Llama 2 can produce inaccurate or harmful information, violate intellectual property rights or privacy rights, be used for malicious or unethical purposes, and have social and cultural impacts that are not fully understood or anticipated. That's why Zuckerberg and Nadella have also stated that they will work with other stakeholders, such as governments, regulators, civil society groups, academics, and users, to ensure Llama 2 is developed and deployed responsibly and ethically. They've also said that they will implement some safeguards and guidelines for using Llama 2, such as requiring users to disclose when they use Llama 2 generated content, providing users with tools to verify the authenticity and quality of Llama 2 generated content, and monitoring and moderating the use of Llama 2 generated content. So what does Llama 2 mean for the future of AI in the metaverse? Llama 2 is certainly a game changer in natural language processing and multimodal generation. It represents a significant leap forward in AI capabilities and possibilities. It also opens up new opportunities and challenges for researchers, businesses, and users who want to use AI for various purposes and applications. However, Llama 2 is not the end goal of AI development. It's just one step in the journey towards creating artificial general intelligence, AGI, the ultimate goal of AI research. AGI is AI that can perform any intellectual tasks that humans can do. AGI is still far from being achieved, but some experts believed it may be possible in this century. If AGI is ever achieved, it may lead to artificial superintelligence, ASI, AI that surpasses human intelligence in every aspect. ASI may have profound implications for humanity and civilization. Llama 2 is not only a state-of-the-art AI model that can generate natural language text, but also a key component of Meta's vision of the Metaverse, a shared virtual reality where people can interact with each other and with digital content in immersive ways. The Metaverse is not just a single platform or application, but a network of interconnected platforms and applications spanning different devices and technologies. The Metaverse is expected to become the next frontier of the internet, where people can experience new forms of creativity, entertainment, education, and socialization. Llama 2 aims to enable these experiences by providing a powerful and versatile platform for creating and sharing immersive content in the metaverse. Llama 2 is designed to be accessible and easy for anyone who wants to create or consume content in the metaverse. It is free for research and commercial use and comes with model weights and starting code for the pre-trained model and conversational fine-tuned versions. It's also compatible with various platforms and technologies that support the metaverse ecosystem. For example, Meta has partnered with Microsoft to make Llama 2 available on Azure, a cloud computing device that offers scalable and secure solutions for building and deploying metaverse applications. Llama 2 is also built with responsibility and safety in mind. Meta has provided resources and guidelines to help users understand the potential risks and limitations of using Llama 2 and how to mitigate them. Meta has also collaborated with a broad set of companies and people across tech, academia, and policy who share the vision of an open innovation approach to AI technologies. By making Llama 2 available openly, Meta hopes to foster a community of developers and researchers who can contribute to advancing and improving Llama 2 and generative AI in general. Llama 2 is an impressive achievement in the field of AI and a powerful tool for creating and exploring the metaverse. It can revolutionize many domains and applications and enrich our lives with new experiences and possibilities. However, Llama 2 also comes with great responsibility and accountability. We need to ensure that Llama 2 is used in a way that respects all stakeholders' rights, values, and interests, and minimize the risks and harms of AI. We also need to be aware of the limitations and challenges of Llama 2 and continue working towards the ultimate goal of AGI and SAI. Llama 2 is not the final destination, but a milestone in the journey of AI development. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed learning about Llama 2. If you want to try Llama 2, visit Meta's website or Hugging Face's blog for more information. Please like, share, and subscribe for more AI and Metaverse content. See you next time.